guys, I'm at Shackleford Island today, doing a little bird up tour by myself, solo. Had some work down here in North Carolina at the coast and decided to pop over here. A lot of great birds. You've got the ferry that runs, I think every hour and a half, maybe 2 hours, check on it. But it's a great little national park. It's about half-mile across and I believe about 8 miles long. They throw you out on the westernmost point, and you know there's pretty much horses. I think there's 135 that are here that were dumped off by the Spanish. So it's pretty cool. While you're birding, you know, you may pop up on a horse. It's interesting. You know, I was able to catch some northern gannets today. I was able to catch some more birds that are on the inside, plovers, yellowlegs, just all kinds of crazy little birds that run around. So it's kind of neat. And it's a great day. You just take the ferry over and they drop you off and then they come back and pick you up. It doesn't get much better than that. And great place to bring the family. They can set up on the beach, play in the water while you bird. So check it out. Bird up.